watermelon raisins milk smoothie or cumin watermelon raisins milkshake, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the watermelon recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the smoothie recipes and one of the most delicious of the watermelon smoothie recipes and one of the most easiest to make with raisins recipes and one of the most delicious of the cumin recipes. We're going to make cumin watermelon raisins milk smoothie. Ingredients are around 200 to 250 grams of watermelon, around 50 to 60 grams of raisins, sugar, cumin seeds. Put in the raisins and the sugar. Close and grind well. Put in the watermelon pieces. Close and grind well. Now open. Now pour in around 100 ml of milk. Close and blend well. Open. Now the cumin watermelon raisins milk smoothie is ready and can be poured into the glasses. Pour the smoothie into the glasses. And cumin watermelon raisins milk smoothie or cumin watermelon raisins milkshake, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the raisins recipes and one of the most unique of the watermelon recipes and one of the most different of the watermelon smoothie recipes and one of the most easiest to make the raisin smoothie recipes and one of the most unique of the cumin recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification